Hello students, welcome to RG Studio. My name is Rahul. I'm a teacher. In this video, I will give you information regarding very important questions for the preparation of entrance exam for Master of Public Health MPH, Master of Hospital Administration MHA and other competitive exams for various university and institutes like Common University Entrance Test UTPG, AIMS Raipur, AIMS Rishikesh, AIMS Jodhpur, Indian Council of Medical Research ICMR Bhubaneswar, किंग जॉर्ज मेडिकल यूनिवर्सिटी KGMU लखनऊ, जिपमेर पुडुचेरी, क्रिश्चियन मेडिकल कॉलेज वेल्लोर, इंडियन इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ पब्लिक हेल्थ IIPH, निमहांस बेंगलोर, लखनऊ यूनिवर्सिटी, सावित्रीबाई फुले पुणे यूनिवर्सिटी, and for all other university and institutes which conducts public health, hospital administration and other competitive exams, and students who are preparing for various university and institutes, MPH, MHA and other courses entrance exams. And for this, if they want online or offline coaching and want important questions PDF note, they can WhatsApp on 9411513974. So for online or offline coaching and important questions PDF notes, WhatsApp number is 9411513974. And for the preparation of competitive exams, there is a WhatsApp group which link you will get in description box. Kindly subscribe to the channel so that you can get the information for important videos and get the information for various admissions and jobs. Kindly like, share and comment this video. So here name of the topic is Human Health, Disease and Immunity. Human Health, Disease and Immunity is the topic name, and here first question is, this is from Health and Disease. First question is, what are those diseases called which is present at the time of birth? So here we need to tell the name of the diseases which is present at the time of birth, or in which category do genetic diseases like cleft palate and hemophilia fall. So what are those diseases called which is present at the time of birth, or in which category do genetic diseases like cleft palate and hemophilia fall? Answer is congenital diseases. So congenital disease is the disease which is present at the time of birth, or if we ask in which category do genetic diseases like cleft palate and hemophilia fall, so correct answer is congenital disease. Next question is, what are those diseases called which arise in the body after birth? What are those diseases called which arise in the body after birth, or what do infectious and non-infectious diseases come under? Answer is acquired diseases. So what are those diseases called which arise in the body after birth, or what do infectious and non-infectious diseases come under? Correct answer is acquired diseases. Acquired diseases are the diseases which arise in the body after birth, and acquired diseases are the diseases in which category infectious and non-infectious diseases come. Here next question is, what are the insects that spread diseases called? What are the insects that spread diseases called? So answer is vector. Vector are the insect that spread diseases. So the insect that spread diseases are called vector. Next question is, if a human disease spreads across a large area of the world, what is it called? Answer is pandemic. If a human disease spreads across a large area of the world, then it is called pandemic. Next question from viral disease. So here question is, by whom is yellow fever transmitted? Answer is by Aedes. So by Aedes, yellow fever transmitted. Yellow fever transmitted by Aedes. Next question is, which viral disease causes inflammation in liver cells? Which viral disease causes inflammation in liver cells? Answer is hepatitis. Hepatitis viral disease causes inflammation in liver cells. Hepatitis viral disease cause inflammation in liver cells. Next question is, which type of hepatitis can be prevented by vaccination? Answer is hepatitis B. Hepatitis B can be prevented by vaccination. So the types of hepatitis that can be prevented by vaccination is hepatitis B. Next question is, how is hepatitis C disease transmitted? How is hepatitis C disease transmitted? Answer is from infected blood. So hepatitis C disease transmitted from infected blood. Next question is, which disease is caused by human immunodeficiency virus HIV? Answer is AIDS. So AIDS disease is caused by human immunodeficiency virus HIV. Next question is, give full form of AIDS test ELISA. Give full form of AIDS test ELISA. Answer is enzyme linked immunosorbent assay. So full form of ELISA, ELISA, is enzyme linked immunosorbent assay. Full form of AIDS test ELISA is enzyme linked immunosorbent assay. Next question is, what causes swine flu disease? What causes swine flu disease? Answer is influenza virus H1N1. So influenza virus H1N1 causes swine flu disease. Influenza virus H1N1 causes swine flu disease. Next question is, the causative agent of cold is? Answer is rhino or coronavirus. So the causative agent of cold is? Answer is rhino or coronavirus. Rhino or coronavirus is the causative agent of cold. Next question is, the causative organism of dengue fever is a mosquito-borne virus which is related to? The causative organism of dengue fever is a mosquito-borne virus which is related to? Answer is flavirovirus category. The causative organism of dengue fever is a mosquito-borne virus which is related to? Answer is flavirovirus category. Next question, viral diseases. So here name of the disease is given, and the virus that is due to which that is disease occurs, and mode of infection. So information regarding viral diseases: name of the disease, virus, name of the virus from which disease occurs, and mode of infection. So first disease is influenza, and influenza disease is caused by the virus influenza orthomaxo. So from the virus influenza orthomaxo, influenza disease occurs, and mode of infection for influenza diseases by coughing or sneezing. Next disease is smallpox, and cause of smallpox disease is caused by the virus variola, and smallpox disease transmitted. Mode of infection for smallpox diseases by coughing or sneezing. Next disease is polio, and polio disease is caused by virus polio enterovirus, and polio disease is mode of infection for polio diseases from feces, contaminated food, mosquitoes. Next disease is rabies. Rabies disease is caused by the virus rhabdovirus. Rabies disease is caused by the virus rhabdovirus, and mode of infection for rabies diseases by the bite of mad dog, wolf, fox, monkey, etc. So by the bite of mad dog, wolf, fox, monkey, etc., rabies disease infected, and rabies disease is caused by virus rhabdovirus. Next disease is chicken pox. Chicken pox disease is caused by the virus varicella zoster, and mode of infection for chicken pox disease is by touching or using clothes of an infected person. So by touching or using clothes of an infected person, chicken pox disease is spread, and chicken pox disease is caused by the virus varicella zoster. Next disease is meningitis. Meningitis disease is caused by the virus herpes virus. Meningitis disease is caused by virus herpes virus, and mode of infection for meningitis disease is cerebrospinal fluid infection. So by cerebrospinal fluid infection, meningitis disease is spreaded, and meningitis disease is caused by virus herpes virus. Next disease is dengue or bone breaking fever. Dengue or bone breaking fever is caused by virus flavivirus. Dengue or bone breaking fever is caused by virus flavivirus, and Mode of infection for dengue or bone breaking fever is bites by mosquitoes such as Aedes aegypti, Aedes albopictus and Culex pharyngiensis. So bites by mosquitoes such as Aedes aegypti, Aedes albopictus and Culex pharyngiensis. These are the mode of infection for dengue or bone breaking fever. And dengue or bone breaking fever is caused by the virus flavivirus. Next disease is SARS, SARS, and this disease is caused by the virus SARS coronavirus. And this mode of infection for SARS virus is through air, nose and mouth secretion. Next disease is encephalitis. Name of the disease is encephalitis, and encephalitis disease is caused by the virus herpes, rabies and poliovirus. So by herpes, rabies and poliovirus, encephalitis disease is caused, and mode of infection for encephalitis disease is from mosquito bites. Next disease is measles, and measles disease is caused by rubella virus, and mode of infection for measles disease is through air, through nasal secretions. Next disease is herpes, and herpes disease is caused by the virus herpes virus, and mode of infection for herpes disease is through the patient skin or through physical contact with the patient. So next disease is chikungunya, and chikungunya disease is caused by chikungunya virus, and mode of infection for chikungunya disease is bites by Aedes aegypti mosquitoes. So chikungunya disease is infected by the bites by Aedes aegypti mosquitoes, and chikungunya disease is caused by the virus chikungunya virus. Next disease is COVID-19, and COVID-19 disease is caused by coronavirus, and mode of infection for COVID-19 disease is by coughing or sneezing. So this is the information for viral diseases. So in this video, information regarding very important questions for the preparation of entrance exam for Master of Public Health MPH, Master of Hospital Administration MHA, and other courses entrance exams has been given for various universities like CUT, PG, AIMS, ICMR, KGMU, JIPMER, CMC Vellore, IIPH, Nimhans, Lucknow University, Savitribai Phule Pune University, and for all other university and institutes which conducts public health, hospital administration and other entrance exams, and students who are preparing for various university and institutes, public health, hospital administration and other courses entrance exams. And for this, if they want online or offline coaching and want important questions PDF note, they can WhatsApp on 9411513974. Thanks for watching this video.